Watchers are an ancient race who populated the void of space for over a millennia. Courtney Chross, half watcher, half human, with the powers of the blue sun of Solaris coursing through his veins, is now called upon to defend this universe from Okandaliza, the ruler of darkness.
Somebody call me name.
I am not here to fight you, Guardian.
Zema is a guy who basically inherited his powers. His father was a watcher who became corrupt because he was possessed by a demon, and this demon is called Curse, a very dangerous being, and he corrupted Tristan Cross, which is Zema's father.
While I was unconscious, I remember you saying something about you knowing my father.
Tristan. Yes, I knew your father very well. Your father was my friend and commander, the Cyrox of the 16th century, until he was betrayed by Curse.
Curse? Or what that?
A very advanced demon. He possessed your father, driving him next to insanity, forcing us to lock him away forever in the Cocoon Peninsula. He's a friend that I won't forget.
Is either me a bit off or you fully mad? Father or no father, me no know him. So what does have to do with me?
No, the powers that Tristan has, or should I say the rank that Tristan has,
No, I don't understand a thing.
What's all the
now falls on Zema's shoulders.
Oh no. Right, you know, fire reaching a man.
It's going to be epic. It's going to be intense. I tried to pull out all my stops, to try and get it to be more attractive and flows better. Try and get the storyline intact and so on. But there are other things that I tried to do to kind of tweak the story, right? But you will see it into the episode when it's released. This episode has a few surprise characters.
Look like we always a buck up one away.
Characters who we have only been seeing into the introduction of the episodes, like when it's starting. I have a few surprises, and yes, these characters are practically breaking silence now.
Well, you always have one like your name, Perfection. Me I got change that.
Chat, you come for chat? Officer Glasses. Where you hope for gaining all of this? You think by helping Ivory, you gonna push yourself up the ladder? That nah go work. Me I gonna sit to that. Do what you do, my gun just a beg for back.
Because they will be their first debut into this episode and beyond.
Ready yourself.
This is crazy!
Yeah, well, basically in this episode we will all find out the ultimate power of Zema, who is Jamaican.
Why so much light? For that matter, who are you and where have you taken me?
I are the one.
Now, his power is basically it's untapped, and he has to bring out all of his wits to try and defeat someone as smart as Pathogen, smart and dangerous, because Pathogen wants to rid the world of humans who are polluting the atmosphere by polluting the same atmosphere we breathe. You know, so I mean the story is kind of cross-fetched, but I mean, you know, it's the season. Condoleezza, he is also in it. He will always be Zema's main nemesis, right? Where Zema is the light, Condoleezza is ultimate darkness, right? So Condoleezza is actually behind all the plots that that is playing out from episode one, come right back to this episode, which I think is the fifth episode, right? And you will see in the storyline where Okandaliza is trying to pull strings and setting up plots for even episode 6.
Me not stand for foolishness, and you know that. So him could not go out with all them thing there and live under my roof. Him was a good boy, Sarge. They making my son look like a gunman. He never hold a gun in his life. You mad? And stay away. Before that, me broke him to and then me can't trust the police, Sarge. Me come to you because me know you. That you are innocent.
The people them a try sabotage my business with this clean energy foolishness. Me no want hear about no more mishaps. I want you to start escorting my trucks from now on. Anything will go wrong are you me are responsible. Is that clear?
Simple. Yes, sir. Then Ivory, how you gonna manage with Detective Hunter now with all of them things we King a put you upon?
But about Sebring Panda.
Big man thing. You know, so Detective Hunter come by the lab today and investigate about the shooting.
Look like the boy father go to him. No say nothing. Nothing will stop the delivery of them trucks though.
We arrive on Highway 95 with 260 miles per hour towards the convoy.
Wagwan top cop. Me hear through the grapevine, see a reopen the Tapia case.
Grapevine one cut.
These trucks are Tricon Services property. They are fully automated and will deliver your goods where you need them. All you have to do is program their route. You won't get anything faster than these.
Time to get shelled down, top cop. Well, like you always have one like your name, perfection. Me I got change that.
Do a yard, my gun just a beg for bar.
Detective Sarge Hunter.
Excuse me, me never get your name.
I didn't give it.
Damn! The pretty and Joe. I mean business.
The money's gonna get you. The money's gonna get you. The money's gonna get you. And you, and you. The money's gonna get you. The money's gonna get you. The money's gonna get you and you and you.
I want that. It look like me I said dopey.
This one is called Chronicles of Zema, Cry for Justice. Give me your feedback. Let me know in the comment box below how you like the trailer and what are your expectations. Where you'd like the story to go. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you'll be able to be notified and see what I've uploaded lately.
In this episode, he's fighting an android called Pathogen. Now, it's similar to what is happening now, where pathogen is basically corrupting the atmosphere so people can't breathe. So you'll find a lot of people relating to this story, where the pandemic is in effect, and you have to be going around in mask and all of that, right? It's a similar story to what is basically happening now, right? I mean, you will love it. Yeah, man. You need to check out Chronicles of Zama. It's on my YouTube channel, Courtney Chross. This episode is going to be huge, right? Zama finally found his powers. He has phased into his alter ego more than once in this episode, and there are a lot more stories that are told in depth about his training and his past and so on. This episode is going to be huge. I mean, yeah, man, there's many more to come. Take a look at the trailer.
It has begun. You must be prepared mentally and physically.
What make you think I am the one? He is weak.